Welcome to week 10. It's about 48 degrees out right now. Super cloudy. It's actually supposed to rain this weekend. To drop all this off. Oh, love it. Fabulous new head of hair of mine. My head feels lighter, and I really like it. Special thanks to my good friend Rachel for giving me the new haircut. Alright, let us give this little mini stepper a try. I'm honestly not feeling it today. got the free water bottle promotion from Strava, and it has my stats on it from 2023, last year. It was pretty cool, so took advantage of it. Not sponsored in any way, but
open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one. Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun.
my long run gear is ready for tomorrow. This Sunday is actually the Rose Bowl half marathon / 5K. I'm not doing the half marathon. I'm actually doing the 5K, which is part of the triple 5K challenge that I'm doing. So this is 2 of 3. So that's going to be fun. So tomorrow's game plan for my usual Saturday long run is to try to do 10 miles. But there's a but. It's supposed to rain tonight all the way through Monday. So depending how strong the rain is tomorrow, we may just end up doing however miles we can outside and just probably doing the rest indoors around the coffee table. So we're gonna try that. It's gonna be interesting. Good morning. It rained a little bit before I started running. Right now it's just cold, but there's supposed to be light rain within the next hour. There's a couple of slippery spots on the sidewalk and on the roads, so I'm kind of going at a slower pace today. I got the correct turnaround point this time. Long run Saturday. We actually did the 10 miles that we set out to do today, so which is great. It was mostly just light rain in terms of the weather, so it's not too bad. It was on and off, but yeah, partially drenched throughout the run, so it's not too bad. I just came back from the Rose Bowl and got my bib for tomorrow's race. So this is my number right here. According to the weather app, it should be just cold in the morning, not much rain. I think the rain is supposed to come in the afternoon, so fingers crossed. I'll have my jacket on hand as well, just in case it rains. I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night, probably actually get to bed soon. With that, I'll see you all bright and early. that completes week 10. We are officially in the second half of this training block, so the mileage is definitely gonna get higher and more intense, but I know I can do it. But I'm excited. So far, I've seen a little bit of, knee aches here and there, but not too intense where it's gonna be debilitating. I just have to keep doing my stretches and my strength training exercises as well, because it does help alleviate any of that aches and pain that I felt before. Of course, this week got my haircut. And to cap off this week, we had the Rose Bowl 5K. Stay tuned for that because I have a full race video coming up. But it was pretty fun, no rain whatsoever in the morning, so that was pretty awesome. It was just pretty cold, so I wore my jacket the whole time. One cool thing is I did get recognized by one of the runners as they were finishing up their half marathon, so if that was you, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, and I hope you're enjoying all the vlogs. And for those of you watching, if you see me out there on any race, come by and say hi. And now for our weekly update of our charity marathon for City of Hope. This week we had another bump into our total, so now we're at $1,105. If you do wish to donate, you could go to this website right here. I'll put it in the description as well as in the pinned comments, so you can click on that. City of Hope is an amazing organization that I've had the opportunity to work with over the last few years. I have friends who have been treated there, and how amazing the staff and the people who dedicate their time to help in their time of need. And we'll wrap up week 10 here. Thank you so much for joining me each week on my progress. I truly do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel and feel inspired for your own running journey, why not subscribe and like the video, as it does help, as we have so much more adventures coming up and more training vlogs, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I see you all next time. Take care.